Income not declared under the head of profit and gains also comes under income from other source. Depreciation, general reserve, any donations, personal expenses, or any taxes other than sales, VAT and GST, anything it is paid, all comes under disallowed item. Post office saving deposit. So this also comes under income from other source. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adasa here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So now we are discussing your income tax too. It is nothing but the revision class. Revision in the class in the sense not only for your final examination, even though you don't have your final examination, still you can prepare for your internal assessment. And whatever we discuss in today's session, it is all about your internal assessment, so that you can plan or prepare well for your internal assessment. Similar kind of problems in your internal assessment exam. Now, we are discussing the topic called your Unit 2, Unit 4 as well as Unit 6. So few topics we are discussing. The first topic, it is all about income from other source. Income from other source problem as well as write any 10 items comes under income from other source. Later, we will discuss about assessment of companies. One small problem on assessment of company. The similar kind problem, what we discussed today, the similar kind of problem you can expect in your internal assessment. Along with that, we will discuss income tax authority. Those are very important for your examination purpose. Now, so first one, what is income from other source? So you need not to write what is income from other source. You are supposed to write any 10 items comes under income from other source. These are normally what? 5 heads of income. Other than this, like salary, house property, capital gain, business or profession. Other than this, whatever you get, that we call it as income from other source. Which are those? Like dividends, winning from horse race, winning from crossword puzzle, casual income. So 1, 2, 3. 3 points are over. So, and the next one, interest received. Write any 10 items which comes under income from other source. First one, dividend. Second one, winning from horse race. Third, winning from crossword puzzle. Fourth one, casual income. Fifth. So total almost we covered 4. Then interest received, the fifth one. Along with that, income not declared under the head of profit and gains also comes under income from other source. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th one we call it as gift. Other than this, still we have 3 more, like post office saving deposit. So this also comes under income from other source, like rent from vacant land. Rent from vacant land. This also comes under income from other source. Rent from vacant land also comes under income from other source. So these are the things which comes under income from other source. Later, you are supposed to write how many items here? 10 items. 10 items which comes under income from other source. It may be like interest on securities. Interest on securities. So, and casual income are, so these are the incomes which comes under income from others. So hope you got answer for one question. Write any 10 items which comes under income from other source. These are the things which comes under income from other source. Then the next one, the problems on income from other source. Similar kind of problems you can expect, only numbers will be changed. And from the following receipt and payment of Mr. Divesh, resident, compute his taxable income under income from other source. Like winning from Madhya Pradesh lottery. See, Write any 10 items income from other source. No need to remember. If you write all these 10, that is only your answer. You got it? Write any 10 items income from other source. Instead of remembering all this, one more question will be there. How to do this? In this, write all this 10 points. That is only your income from other source, 10 items. Now, state lottery, horse race, second one. Again state lottery, horse race, crossword puzzle, and gift, and any card games, lottery ticket, and camel race. Camel race is not part of your income from other source. These are the things you have income from other source. How to solve this? Simple one, like Madhya Pradesh State Lottery. They have given in the answer 28,000. We have to assume that whatever income is given, that is net after tax. That's why what we are supposed to do, 28,000 into 100 by 70, your answer is 40,000. Horse race also same thing, but amount more than 5,000, hence no TDS in this horse race. What is the horse race? Winning from horse race 1,000. So we will not consider, actually this 1,000 will not come. Why? Because the amount is less than 5,000. If the value is more than 5,000, then it will come under income from other source. If the amount is less than 5,000, we will not consider. Third one, Rajasthan State Lottery, amount not more than 10,000, hence no TDS. TDS will not come in the sense you will write the amount, but percentage you will not calculate. Hope you are clear. You have to mention the amount, but don't mention the percentage. We will not calculate tax on this because it is within the limit. Then horse race 49,000 into 100 by 70, it is more than the actual value, so we calculate, the answer is 70,000. Then crossword puzzle, amount not more than 10,000, so no TDS. Just mention no TDS and mention the amount. Gift from friend in London, as I told you, up to 50,000 exempted. Here the value is 1 lakh, so taxable. Card game not subject to TDS, and camel rate not subject to TDS, and the total income from other source is this much. We are not calculating taxable income from other source. We are calculating income from other source. Simple. Whatever given in the question, take everything, just add and write. Clear? But you have to mention that up to what limit it is, up to 5,000, up to 10,000, that you are supposed to remember. This is your second problem. And third one, assessment of company. I already explained you what is assessment of company. Again, I'll repeat once again. This we call it as assessment of company. Now, these are your problems, as I told you, which are not related to your business, like depreciation, general reserve, any donations, personal expenses, or any taxes other than sales, VAT and GST, anything it is paid, all comes under disallowed item. You should start problem with what? Net profit. Take net profit 1,50,000. After that, what are the personal expense like depreciation? Do we have adjustment on depreciation? So no adjustment, so will not consider. Excise duty part, municipal tax, fine and penalty. Director fees will not come. Donations, loss by that will not come. Donation to political party, and damages paid for wrongful dismissal of MD, and net profit. These are the informations we have. Now, so first what you are supposed to do, net profit as per profit and loss account 1,50,000. Later, add disallowed item. Which are those? Municipal tax, fine and penalty, donation, political party, damages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one more is I missed, I think. Damages, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I have considered because these are not directly related to business. See, I have added all these things. So your answer is 77. The total is 2,27,000. What we are supposed to minus? Simple. On the right side, credit side, which are not related to business, like gross profit part of the business, house property, yes, premium, yes, 1 and 1. These two are not related to business. 1,50,000, 1,04,000. 1,50,000, 1,04,000, it will be 2,54,000. From 2,27,000, if you minus this, you will get loss of rupees 27,000. Hope you are clear. Yes. How much you got? You have got loss of rupees 27,000. Now, once you are done with the 27,000, what is next? The next is income from salary, house property, profession, business, income from capital gain, income from other source. All the 5 heads you are supposed to write. In this, income from salary, nil. House property is how much? I'll show you. House property is 1,50,000. Income from business or profession, just you calculated 27,000. Loss. Capital gain is nil. Other sources nil. Add everything. You got 1,23,000. Do you have any donations or any deduction? Yes. Donation you have NDF. Donation you have political party. 10,000, 10,000. Your answer is 1,03,000. Hope you are clear. Yes. Once you calculated total income minus donation, then you will get your 1,03,000 as your answer. What is your tax? 1,03,000 into 30% is your tax. 4% education cess, 1,236. Final answer 32,136. Easiest one. So please remember exactly similar kind of problem you will get for your internal assessment. So only numbers may change, but a format and a method and a concept will remain the same. Everything it comes under 15 as well as 10 marks. I'll tell you the marks next. Income tax authorities. Very simple. There are almost 10 income tax authorities are there. You are supposed to remember all the income tax authorities like Central Board, Principal Director, Director General, Principal Director, Director of Income Tax, Joint Director, Deputy Director, Assistant Director. See, Director itself, there are 7 names are there. Director General, Principal Director, Director of Income Tax, Joint Director, Deputy Director, Assistant Director. See, you got 8 points by calling as Director. Then Income Tax Officer, Tax Recovery Inspector. These are called your income tax authorities. Hope you are clear. Yes, this is also your 10-mark question. Now, power of income tax authority. What is that? Power of income tax authority. This is not much important, but also refer regarding discovery, search and seizure, and requisition of books, power to call information, power of survey, collection of information, inspect registered companies, collect the tax from the assessee, fine and penalties, and power to assessment of incomes of assessee. All these are called as powers of income tax authority. Hope you are clear. Good. These are the things you are supposed to remember for your examination purpose. Hope you are clear. Yes. So remember, I'll go back to all the previous slide. So this is only the information. So these are the income from other source. Write any 10 items. Remember this. So these are the problems on income from other source. Write everything and add. So this is a solution for that. And this is your problem number 3, assessment of company. And this is a question. Remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items we added, 2 items we deducted. And these are the solution. Next part of solution. These are income tax authorities. Income tax authorities for the purpose of Income Tax Act. Power of income tax authority. Yes. So these are your internal assessment, syllabus as well as explanation. Now, how your question paper pattern will be. Your question paper pattern, we are planning for your 40 marks assessment. In that, your pattern will be like this. So, assessment of company, it will be 15 mark. 10 marks for your income from other source. 10 marks for your income from other source, write any 10 items. And 5 marks will be your income tax authority or powers of income tax authority. These are your overall question paper pattern. Hope you are clear. Yes. So I wish all the very best for your internal assessment as well as, so please take it up seriously your internal assessment paper and give your best. Thank you.